Hey, stickheads, how you doing? How you been?
Hey, what's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go and give us a big like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Hey, it's too easy. It's too eeasy. All we asking
Too
for is
easy. Oh.
no, I didn't say Yeezy. I said too easy. I didn't say too Yeezy.
I thought you said Yeezys. No, I was gonna bring them out. Oh,
Ooh.
too
Hey, that's
Yeezys.
later. Hey, push that to the side. That's later. That's later. Not now. Hey, not now. So we just wanted to tap in with you guys and let you guys know, hey, there is Nike take sneaker day. Hey, it's a takeover. Nike is taking over. Hey, not only are they taking over, they're going global now. Because at one
Oh,
time they done sneaker day before, right? Sneakerhead. They have done this day
yes, sir.
before, but they have never done it here in the United States. It was always overseas, right? But now, hey, they want to take it global, right?
Why they
Sneakerheads,
doing that?
hey, sneakerheads, you know why they doing it, bro. You know why they doing it. Hey, leave us a comment below. Hey, leave us a comment below with your comment on
Hey,
why
why y'all
you
think
think.
they doing this, stinkheads? Why y'all think they
Hey,
doing this, stinkheads?
hey,
Nike,
hey,
let us know.
hey, coach, ask me, coach. I tell you why they doing it. Cause
Put
special
them in,
K's,
coach.
hey, special K's back, special K's back. So it makes sense.
Yes,
It
sir.
makes sense to do it. Hey, September the 9th. Hey, right now it's rumors on what shoes they go drop. If you know any shoes that you heard of, hey, drop us a comment down below, right? But like I said, they are rumors. But we do know what happened, right? Nike Dunk Day. Hey,
Yes, sir.
yeah, Nike Dunk Day. Hey, did any of you cop any? If you did, drop us a comment below. But I know one sneakerhead that copped some.
Uh-oh. Yes, sir.
Uh-oh.
Bam.
Ooh, yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Drum
Hey,
roll. Yes, sir.
we go on
Yes,
the
sir.
budget, Clown.
Yes, sir. What you got, my
It is
bro?
that well, it is a new month though, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
We
sir.
we spent last month and now we're
Uh-huh.
spending this month. So
Okay.
we've seen these 100 times, 1,000 times, but the unbreakable. Which ones are these? Pandas, pandas, pandas.
Oh. Yes, sir.
Well, these are the
And
Panda Highs. So these are just sitting on there. Well, these are still in style. Top wearable dunks that are out there. I've never seen the highs in my hand. I have seen the lows before. The quality does look a little bit better to me, in my humble opinion. At a cheap price point of like 133 with tax. That's what I
okay.
paid for these. But this is a nice shoe. Could want to rock these for school. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Are you still rocking the Pandas or are the Pandas going out of style now? Let us know in the comments, sneakheads.
Okay. Yes, sir. What else? What else we got out there, sneakerhead? Hey, bro. I know you weren't the only one that copped some on Dunk Day. Hey, drop us a comment below.
So as you know, I got my size 10 right here.
Yes,
Took it
sir.
out the box so you can see that we're not just showing boxes. So let me know in the comments, is this worth a double up?
Hey, sneakerheads. Hey, do y'all remember Rocky 3 when Mr. T say, "Hey, I got some more for you. I got some more for you." Hey, you got some more sneakers for us. You got some more. Yes, sir.
Remember the first ones came from Hibbett Sports that I won on a raffle.
Mm-hmm.
The second pair I was able to cop. So
Mm.
let me know comments, is this worth a double up? And for me, I love this UNC blue. So, I'd add two. Maybe I might bust one out. Let's put this one up on ice for later.
Yes, sir.
Let this one go to about $500. I don't
Hey,
know.
let us know. Hey, let us know below in the comment. Should he, sit on them? Yes,
And
sir.
then, when I went to the store, as I showed you already, I went to go pick up these lows. And then come to find out, they released the mid as well. So this is the month of UNCs. Now we have a UNC blue. Looks similar. We got the low, the mid, and now we got the high. So it's crazy that I told y'all the month of July, that was the month of the UNC.
Yes, sir.
So if you're a UNC fan, you should have had an easy time at least picking up one pair of UNCs.
Hey, bro, you know what that's saying though?
What's that?
The Tar Heels go win the championship for college basketball.
Oh,
Yeah, that's all that's
uh-oh.
saying. Hey, that's all
So
that's saying.
MJ's coming back, huh?
Nah, MJ ain't coming back. Nah. Keep MJ where he at. But that's all that's saying. All that love you showing for UNC. Hey, all that's saying, yes, sir. All that's saying right there is, hey, they getting them a chip, right? But if you continue to like content like this, Hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.